ASAP. Turbo is coming, dude.
Sitting at a solid 47 pounds of boost.
And that's with a stock turbo ready to blow.
Well, I'll just pull up to Tyler's. Got Noah here. With the noodles. Where's Tyler at in that fancy work drip? Oh, look at him.
Hey, I can't tie these anymore, so I gotta make do with what I got.
Forgets how to tie his shoes. What a noob. Got my wheels. Rolling on the Done stocks. We got spacers going on, tips going on, bunch of crap in there. Got that back there, about to raise hell in the hometown of Event.
I wouldn't say that, blur that out. Okay. Well, if I get arrested, a ticket, or Brock's missing, don't come here. We're not here. Noah, he's a good boy. He ain't got much to ride today. He's gonna be film crew. So we ain't got much to wreck. You know what I mean? So we're doing all right. Be all right. Jared's gonna be pissed.
But that's not Jerry's stripes. That Banshee's fast. Holy shit.
Yeah, Juan just got his four-wheel back cut, and he took it to a shop, got it all done, right? Done up. Made sure it was perfect. Brock's had his for how long, you know?
I think it's 2 or 3 years.
Right. What did they got done now?
Well, he's got jets, carb, and then just a slip-on pipe. Or no, he's got a full exhaust.
Yep.
And he honestly just gapped Anthony. I don't even know what to think about that.
And
That
he was
just
still pulling too.
yeah, that just shows you about these old Banshees.
They're built from factory, basically. Wild. Guys, we're in a brand new 2021 Defender from Old Power Sports. You guys are in the need and search of anything Can-Am. Old Power Sports, talk to my guy Tyler. Best in the business. Good, buddy. Again.
I turned the key and the fan didn't come on and the red light was on and I was like, okay, that's not good.
No bueno.
So I wiggled these wires right there and she turned right on.
That's what we like to hear.
That's what.
How about Buddy Brockster over here? Good thing he was wearing the helmet right there,
How
buddy.
many hours we got on this beast? I gotta turn it on first. 2.5 hours.
Hey, buddy.
And our fresh oil.
Brock, you gapped him.
I did.
Yes, we're gonna do it again.
I
That's
don't know about that 6th gear though. I don't know.
you got 6 gears.
I have 6.
That's all the world of difference right here.
Yeah, it is.
I run first shot.
But I started getting into this habit and I was like, nope, not blowing it up today. Let off.
This is our buddy Dawson's quad. Do you want to talk about him a little bit, Twan?
He went to Tennessee, right?
Yep.
Okay. To like, see if he wants to move there, and we just want to say, oh, listen.
Love you, buddy.
We're gonna wash your quad for you.
Yeah, we're gonna get it all Hey, we're gonna get it all detailed up and nothing like you've seen before, bro. So yeah, keep living her up. Be safe. What do you guys got to say about Dawson? Any good words?
Hey, be safe on your trip. Yeah. Don't drink too much. Be smart.
Yes. FMF. Try to turn the key on next time. Always a vibe at Twan's. I love this kid.
2.5.
Got that on camera. Have you seen the mayhem?
I have not seen the phaser yet.
Have you seen the mayhem?
No.
Have you seen the mayhem?
Does it look like it?
We are by the mulch pile.
The mall style.
And I got the Coog.
Let me just lay this down real quick. Bitch, I got ass. You should see the numbers, man. I just did the math. When I'm with the boys, and I make the shit clap.
The Coog kind of got fucky.
Just because the hood don't latch doesn't mean
I didn't know the hood didn't. Well, we might not have gauges anymore. There's a self-tapper for a garage door in that bad boy. All right, so that's the Coog update. So let's pull up the phaser.
Whoa.
This is what is left of the phaser.
Our $50 snow, man.
Isn't that the one that was running?
Look at this. That was ours at one time. Look at that. Mayhem, dude.
How did he manage that?
Overheated, I think. So if anybody, and I mean anybody, has a phaser motor, we have Instagram. We have YouTube comments. Hit us up. So I still got compression.
Hey, only willing to drive 100 miles. No, I don't know. Maybe
The Coog, dude.
I don't know if there's one in North Dakota. I'll pick
It does. Pull it up. Pull it up. There you go. Key on? Is the key on?
Yep. It says run. It's not going to start.
Watch out. Hey guys, you'll see what we did here eventually, and Dawson's on the way to the homestead. Heart's beating, don't know how to feel, nervous, happy, if he's gonna like it. I like it, I like it, I like it, so. He's about a minute away from the house, dude. Nervous. Are we grooving tonight? What's the matter? That good? You didn't slam it hard enough, Doss.
You want me to send the goddamn door to the A-pillar? Are you fucking kidding me?